Hi children, welcome to our maths class. Today's topic is numbers for 5th class children. Now I am to explaining about expanded notation. Expanded notation means, expanded form means to write each digit according to its place value. See, I will explain some examples here. I am writing a number here. This is the number. First we have to write places here. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place and lakhs place. See, what is this? 6. Where is which place 6 is there? Lakhs place. So 6 into 1 lakh. 1 lakh. 6 into 1 lakh is equal to 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. What is the next digit? 3. In which place 3 is there? 10,000. So 3 into 10,000. 3 into 10,000 is equal to 30,000. 30,000. What is the next number? 8. 8 is in thousands place. 8 into 1000 is equal to 8,000. What is the next digit? 4. In which place 4 is there? 100. 4 into 100 is equal to 400. Next number 6. In which place? Tens place. So 6 into 10 is equal to 60. Last digit 2 is in ones place. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2 ones are 2. See here, these digits are written in according to place values, their place values. Now I will write in expanded form in Hindu-Arabic system. 6 in lakhs place. So 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. We keep commas here. In Hindu-Arabic system, we have to keep commas first after 3 digits. After that, in between 2 digits. 1, 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. 6 lakhs. Next, 3 in tens place. So, 30,000. 30,000 plus 8 is in thousands place. So, 8,000. 8,000 plus 4 is in hundreds place. So, 400 plus 6 is in tens place. So, 6 tens are 60 plus 2 ones are 2. So, here it is completed in Hindu-Arabic system. The same number in international system. See how to write. International system. Same number. 6, 3, 8, 4, 6, 2. Now I will write the places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. After that lakhs place. Shall we write lakhs here? No. Because it is international system. We have to write here 100,000s. 100,000s place. Now I will write in expanded form. First digit 6. In which place 6 is there? 100,000's place. So 600,000. We have to call this 600,000. In international systems, we keep comma in between three digits. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There is no number there. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay? 600,000s. Next. Which digit is here? 3. In which place? 10,000s place. So, 3 tens are 30. 30,000. 30,000 plus 8. In which place? Thousands place. So, 8,000 plus next number 4. In which place? Hundreds place. So, 400 plus 6 is in tens place. 6 into 10, 60 plus 2 is in ones place. 2 1 is 2. It is the international system. 600,000, 30,000, 8,000, 462. International system completed. Now I will write one more example for you. Children, observe carefully. Three, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1, 0, 8, 0. This is the number. Now I will write in both Hindu-Arabic and international systems. First, Hindu-Arabic system. Once again I will write the number here. 3, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1, 0, 8, 0. Now we will write the place values. Places here. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs. Lakhs are 100,000s. Lakhs. Why? Because it is Hindu-Arabic system. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. After that, crores, 10 crores. These are the place values in Hindu-Arabic system. Now we will write in expanding form. First 3 digit. 3 digit in which place? 10 crores place. So 3 tens are 30. 30 crores. Children, some children are confusing how to write the zeros here. How many zeros shall we write here? Let's see. I will say an easy method. First we wrote number here. After that, how many digits are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we have to write 8 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros here. Plus, now we keep commas here. How? First 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. After that, in Hindu-Arabic system, first after 3 digits we have to keep comma. After that, in between 2 digits. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Completed. Next, 8. 8 is in crores place. So, 8 crores. 8 crores. How many zeros shall we write here? Here we wrote 8 zeros. So, here we have to write 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. After that, 2 digits. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Correct? Yes, 8 crores. Plus, After that 6. In which place 6 is there? 10 lakhs. So 6 tens are 60. 60 lakhs. How many zeros? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see is it correct or not. 3 digits, 2 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 60 lakhs. Plus, after that which number is there? 4. In which place? Lakhs place. 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs. After that, 4 after 2. 2 is in which place? 10,000s place. So 2 tens are 20. 20,000. Plus, next number 1. 1 is in which place? Thousands place. So here we have to write 1000. Plus, after that 0. In which place? Hundreds place. 0 into 100 is equal to 0 itself. Why? If we multiply any number with 0, the answer is 0 itself. So, no need to write here because 0 is there here. After that, 8. 8 is in tens place. 8 tens are 80. 8 after, again 0 here. Shall we write? No. No need to write the value of 0 here. Completed. In Hindu Arabic system it is completed. 30 crores, 8 crores, 60 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 20,000, 1,000, 80. Completed. Now, in international system, same digit 3, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1, 0, 8, 0. The same number I am explaining here. Now we will write the place values in international system. This is the zeros place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. After that lakhs. Shall we write lakhs here? No. Why? Because it is international system. So we have to write 100,000s here. 100,000s. 100,000s after millions. Millions after 10 millions. After that 100 millions. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. These are the place values. Now we will write in expanded form. Okay. What is the first digit? 3. How many zeros shall we write here? In the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Now we will keep commas here. How? In international system we have to keep commas in between 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No number is there. Let's see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. 300 millions. 300 millions. Next. What is the next digit? 8. In which place? 10 millions place. 8 tens are 80. So, 80 millions. How many zeros shall we write here? Here we have written, we wrote 8 zeros. So, here we have to write 7 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2 digits only is there. So, no need to keep comma here. Okay. Let's check the number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions. Correct? Yes. 80 millions. After 6. In which place 6 digit is there? Millions place. So 6 millions. 6. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Comma, comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. 6 millions. Completed. After that, 4. In which place 4 is there? 100,000s place. So we have to call it 400,000s. 400,000s. How many zeros we have to write here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Commas in between 3 digits. 400,000s. Completed. Next, which digit is there? 2. In which place? 10,000s place. So 2 tens are 20. 20,000. 20,000. After 3 digits, keep comma. Plus. Next, which digit is there? 1. In which place? Thousands place. So 1,000. Plus. Next, which digit is there? 0. In hundreds place. Shall we write? No need. Why? Because 0 into 100 is equal to 0. Just now only I explained. Next, after that, 8. 8 is in tens place. 8 tens are 80. Plus, no need here. No need here. Why? Because here also 0 is there. So, no need to write any number here. See this? 3. 300 millions. 8. 10 millions. So, 8 tens are 80 millions. 6 millions. 6 millions. 4. 100,000s. 400,000s. Next, 2 in 10,000s. 2 tens are 20,000. 1 in 1,000. So, 1,000 plus here 0 is there. So, we didn't write here. Next, 8 in tens place. So, 80. Here also 0 is there. So, we haven't written any number here. Have you understood, children? You must write some more numbers in your notebook and practice thoroughly. Okay? See this video 1 or 2 times. You can understand perfectly. Okay? Thank you.